Ingesting essential oils via the digestive tract refers to taking oils by mouth and are swallowed so that they can be absorbed through the stomach and intestines by digestive processes. Consuming oils to be assimilated through the digestive tract results in a significant portion being destroyed by stomach acids. Studies show that taking essential oils internally is the least effective way to absorb their therapeutic properties. The oil ends up in the digestive tract, where it has to pass through the stomach and small intestine before it reaches the bloodstream. From there, the oil molecules, which have been chemically altered by the materials they have come into contact with within the stomach and intestine, will reach the liver, pancreas, reproductive organs and eventually be excreted via the kidneys, bladder, and large intestine.